Hi there, boys and girls. Today we're going to do the scholar's mate. We're going to elucidate once and for all, and hopefully, guys, you will never ever get checkmated in 4 moves if you're playing with the black pieces. It's something you must know. Okay, now some people every now and then would try to checkmate you in these 4 moves, but good news is you could stop it very easily, very efficiently, and you're going to end up in a very good position. Okay, so scholar's mate. Now, white starts e4. Okay, uh, let's suppose you're going to answer with e5. Of course, there are many other ways to respond to e4. We're not going to get through them now. I'm just going to address the scholar's mate in particular. So next move is bishop c4. Now, that normally announces an Italian game, a gioco piano. Now, you need to know that the bishop already has the intent of attacking you on f7, which currently is defended by the king, so there's no danger for you. You don't need to do nothing. You just keep developing your pieces. I always tell my students, get your minor pieces off the back row. So now, let's assume you're going to play knight c6. Very good move. You play a minor piece off the back row towards the center of the board. You're already attacking like 4 squares, well, 8 in total you're controlling with the knight, okay, compared with knight being developed on e6, which is a bad move for very many reasons. We'll explain this later. Now, your opponent might try queen to h5, and probably that should be ringing the alarm bell now already. We got a bishop attacking f7, queen attacks the second time on f7, and you guys defended once with the king. So 2 attackers, 1 defender, it's trouble. So you either bring about the second defender or you block one of the attackers if you can't remove them. And in our position now with black, we can't take any of the 2 pieces, obviously, so we're gonna stop it. Now, my favorite choice here, and I recommend to all my students, is to simply play g7 to g6. Perfect. It's absolutely beautiful. Stops the queen, obviously. You can't jump over the pawn. If the queen takes on g6, any of the 2 black pawns will take it back. Well, not the f7, but anyway. So, you stop the queen. Okay, queen is attacked now. It's a defensive offensive move, so you're defending and you are attacking at the same time. Queen needs to go away. Okay, and more than that, you just created a bit of space for the bishop to be fianchetto here nicely on g7. Beautiful, beautiful setup. The queen goes now either on f3 or e2 or d1. If it goes to f3, keep in mind, if it goes on f3, keep in mind that the danger is not yet gone. It's still the threat of a checkmate. And now you need to reply with knight f6. Beautiful, elegantly. Queen captures the knight, your black queen will take it back. Excellent deal for you. That would be a blunder, by the way, for white. You continue, bishop g7, you know. I mean, they will be playing the knight, probably e2, okay, or h3, which is not to be envied, because after you play the d6, your bishop will be eyeing that knight, and the queen will need to be on the 3rd rank to just keep an eye on the knight to replace it, otherwise they will have double pawns, so that's another philosophy. But knight f6 is just brilliant. They will be playing probably knight e2. Now you continue with bishop g7, probably they castle, or they play any other piece, or d3, in which case you castle. Very nice. Now your knight might be playing at some point on d4, attacking queen, attacking c2. Wonderful setup. Let me just go back a bit now. So g6 is my favorite, and it should be your favorite reply in this position. Now, you could play queen e7, not a bad stuff. You stop the checkmate, that will be the second defender, or queen f6. You could. The reason I don't like it is that queen e7, so to speak, takes my bishop's range for developing. I mean, I'm blocking my own piecing. I'm stifling their development. I don't want to do this. And if I go on f6, I kind of take the square from the knight, you know, so the queen actually takes the minor piece's way of developing. So you don't want to do this. Neither e7 nor f6. You could, but I think probably every tutor would agree g6 is the best take for black here. Okay, so that's how you stop the scholar's mate. Okay, again, g6 is the best reply here, sends the queen away. Keep an eye though, if they stop on f3, the danger is not yet gone. You need to play knight f6, then bishop g7, castle your king, then do the d6 move and get the other bishop out. Okay, that's the scholar's mate. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this useful. Okay, and more videos will be uploaded in short term. Thanks, guys. Good day.